New kids learn. Preposition. In front of. Between. Behind. Some examples of in front of. The car is in front of the house. Ajay is standing in front of the cycle. The girl is feeding hen in front of the tent. Some examples of between. The monkey eating banana in between the two banana tree. Roslyn jumping in between their friends John and Rahul. Some examples of behind. Rohit is playing behind the tree. The cat is behind the car. The boy is behind the door. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.